Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the wave equation, V equals F times lambda. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use it on any kind of wave, sound or light, and the unit conversions to keep it straight. The wave equation, wave speed equals frequency times wavelength, V equals F times lambda. Works for any wave, sound, light, water, EM, ultrasound. If you know two quantities, you can find the third. Three things. 1. Frequency is set by the source. Wavelength adjusts when speed changes. 2. Light in a vacuum. V equals 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Sound in air. V equals 340 meters per second. 3. Use consistent units. Meters, seconds, hertz. Common slip, mixing the units. If wavelength is in centimeters but speed is in meters per second, you'll get the wrong frequency. Always convert to meters before applying V equals F lambda. Quick example, a radio wave at 100 megahertz, V equals 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Wavelength equals V divided by F, so 3 times 10 to the 8 divided by 10 to the 8 equals 3 meters. A typical FM radio wavelength. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, biology, physics and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.